If you're tired of replanting flowers every single year, then perennials are about to become your garden's best friend. These plants come back season after season with fresh blooms, vibrant colors, and surprisingly low maintenance. Whether you live in a cold climate or a warm region, there are beautiful perennials that keep your garden alive year after year without the extra work. Daylily is one of the easiest flowering perennials you can grow. These plants produce colorful blooms from spring through fall and can handle heat, drought, and even poor soil. Once established, they multiply quickly and fill garden beds with vibrant flowers every year. Chrysanthemum brings bold shades of yellow, pink, orange, red, and white right when most gardens start fading. These flowers bloom beautifully in late summer and fall, and with regular pruning, they return fuller and brighter every season. Purple coneflower is perfect if you want a pollinator-friendly garden. Its pink and purple daisy-like blooms attract butterflies, bees, and hummingbirds, while surviving harsh heat, drought, and cold weather with almost no fuss. Peony is famous for its giant, fragrant blooms that look absolutely luxurious in the garden. These long-living plants can survive for decades, rewarding you every spring with huge pink, white, red, or yellow flowers. Sedum is a hardy, succulent perennial that thrives in sunny gardens. Its thick leaves and star-shaped blooms add texture and color from spring to fall, and it easily survives dry conditions without demanding much care. Siberian iris adds elegance with tall stems and colorful blooms in shades of blue, purple, and white. These flowers love moist soil and sunshine, returning every spring with graceful foliage and striking flowers. Veronica creates vertical spikes of blue, pink, purple, or white flowers that bloom from early summer into fall. It's an easy-growing perennial that keeps producing flowers year after year with very little effort. Aster is ideal for shady gardens where many flowers struggle to grow. Its soft, feathery plumes add beautiful texture and bright color while thriving in moist soil and cooler spots. Aster lights up the garden late in the season with daisy-like blooms in purple, pink, blue, and white. These flowers are excellent for attracting pollinators and extending color into fall. Yarrow is a tough perennial that handles heat and drought effortlessly. Its clusters of tiny flowers appear in shades of white, yellow, pink, and apricot, while attracting bees and butterflies all summer long. Hosta is mainly grown for its lush foliage, but its delicate flowers are beautiful too. These shade-loving plants are perfect for filling empty corners and returning stronger every single year. Perennial sage fills the garden with fragrant spikes of purple, blue, pink, or white flowers that pollinators absolutely love. It thrives in sunny spots and keeps blooming through spring and summer. Clematis transforms fences and trellises with climbing vines covered in colorful blooms. With proper sunlight and support, it flowers twice a year and returns even more impressive each season. Daffodils are among the first signs of spring. Their cheerful yellow flowers emerge after winter and continue multiplying underground, giving you more blooms every year. Baby's breath produces hundreds of tiny white or pink flowers that create a soft, cloud-like effect in the garden. It's incredibly easy to grow and perfect for adding delicate beauty to borders and bouquets. Shasta daisy brings classic white flowers with yellow centers that bloom from late spring through fall. Deadheading spent flowers encourages continuous blooms throughout the season. Hydrangea delivers massive flower clusters in blue, pink, lavender, or white depending on soil conditions. These shrubs return every year bigger and more colorful with minimal maintenance. Columbine adds charm with unique bell-shaped blooms in vibrant shades of red, pink, lavender, and white. It self-seeds naturally, making it easy for the plant to return every season. Black-eyed Susan is a fast-growing perennial with bright yellow petals and dark centers that instantly brighten up the garden. These flowers bloom heavily and attract plenty of pollinators. Gladiolus creates tall flower spikes packed with colorful blooms that stand out beautifully in garden beds and bouquets. With proper care, they return each year with even stronger growth. Roman chamomile is not only beautiful but also useful. Its tiny, daisy-like flowers can be used for herbal tea while adding a soft cottage garden feel to outdoor spaces. Foxglove adds dramatic height, with tall stems covered in bell-shaped flowers. Once established, It self-seeds easily and continues returning to the garden year after year. Helenium bursts into bloom with warm shades of yellow, orange, and red during late summer and fall. These flowers love full sun and attract butterflies in huge numbers. Phlox fills the garden with fragrant clusters of flowers in pink, purple, white, and red. It blooms heavily from summer into fall and creates an amazing display in borders and flower beds. Tulips remain one of the most loved spring flowers thanks to their endless colors and elegant shapes. Plant the bulbs in fall, and they'll reward you with stunning blooms every spring. Perennials are one of the smartest ways to create a colorful garden that keeps coming back stronger every year. With the right mix of flowers, you can enjoy blooms from spring all the way into fall, without constantly replanting. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and watch our next gardening guide for more beautiful plants and easy growing tips.